Right, so here's an example of a post. This is solid wood, and these are prototypes. So there's all kinds of stuff that's going on there that I'll catch at another time. But this is actually wood that came out of, I believe it was the Jack Beam Distillery. And this, when they do teardowns of things, there's a company here that does some of the teardowns, and then they sell the material here. It's basically certified as coming from there. So there you've got the Rustic thing going on. This is, I think it's, boy, I don't know what that is, but it's pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's heavy. It's heavy, so I'm thinking it's probably maple. And then I put the mortise in there. But what's unique about this is that again, this is a prototype. So here I used 3" by 3" steel tubing, and then I think that's 1/8" thick. Yep, or 3/16 maybe. And then by just basically trimming this down, then it slipped right over the top. So you don't have to be too careful. That's the nice thing about doing it this way, is that you can you're basically making a big tenon probably with a bandsaw. And then the nice thing is that, again, that threaded tenon can get mounted on the bottom. So this would be mounted on something like, either vertically, or it could be a horizontal one as well. And then all this would require is a little bit more cleanup. And if I were to do this for a client or whatever, then I don't know, I might not even do anything more to the steel other than clean it up a little bit, and then might even do a clear coat on it. But and then also I would be able to clean this up a little bit. So very easy stuff to do, but I just want to give you an idea of the posts that you can do as well.